St. Jago High is represented this evening by Team Captain Janelle Esson, Nathaniel Baker, Kevandra Blake, and Jermaine Miller. While Jamaica College is represented by Team Captain Jaheem Khoury, Jamarli Banton, Mason J. Edwards, and Marvin White. Hello and welcome to the second match in the best-of-3 semi-final series of TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz. I'm Jean-Paul Menu. St. Jago High lead the series 1-0, and with another win today, they will advance to the championship match. Jamaica College has to win to tie the series and set up a decisive third match. It all comes down to this. High schools from across the island have survived the challenge. Do they have the skill, the knowledge, and the temperament to advance to the final? Let's find out. It's time for the opening challenge. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier, we had the toss. Jamaica College won and decided to send St. Jago in to bat first. So we begin with St. Jago High. The section lasts for 4 minutes. We have that time on the clock, St. Jago, so we'll begin with art. The Gates of Hell is an early 20th century sculpture by which artist? August Rodin. Correct. Art. Jamaica College, Girls at the Piano is a late 19th century painting by which artist?
19th century. Pierre Auguste Renoir.
That's right. International Affairs, a visual one for St. Jago. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
Gabriel Attal. Gabriel Attal.
Prime Minister of France. Correct. International Affairs for JC. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
European.
Charles Michel.
No, it's Lindsay Hoyle, Speaker of the House of Commons in the UK. Mathematics, St. Jago, a trapezoid ABCD has legs 11 centimeters and 15 centimeters in length. Its bases are 19 centimeters and 24 centimeters, respectively. What is the perimeter of the trapezoid?
69 centimeters. 69 centimeters.
That's right. Mathematics, Jamaica College. If the base of a parallelogram is equal to 11.5 centimeters and the height is 4 centimeters, then what is its area?
Multiply.
46.
11.5.
46. So this is?
46.
46 centimeters squared.
Correct. Music and audio one for St. Jago. Listen to the following clip. Identify this group.
Lived by the fathers of our history. Of all the ancients and
Morgan Heritage. Morgan Heritage.
Don't have fit dread. Correct. Jamaica College. Listen to the following clip and identify this singer.
now help me out that I can see my way through this struggle and bustle every day. People said
That's right. Cleanse my soul. Literature, St. Jago. Who is the author of the children's novel Goodnight Moon?
Margaret Wise Brown. Margaret Wise Brown.
Correct. Literature, JC. Who is the author of the children's novel The Story of Little Black Sambo? No, Helen Bannerman. Theatre and cinema, a visual one for St. Jago. Look at the monitor. Identify this actress.
River Clark.
River Clark.
No, it's Merle Dandridge. Theatre and cinema, JC. Look at the monitor and identify this actor.
Samuel Clark. Samuel Clark.
No, it's Ty White. Jamaican Heritage, St. Jago. What Jamaican expression is used to refer to the youngest child in a family?
Wash belly.
Wash belly.
That's right, Jamaica College, Jamaican Heritage. Which Jamaican expression refers to a detox process, especially before a new school term begins?
Wash out.
Wash out.
That's right. Sport, a visual one for St. Jago. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Magnus Carlsen.
Magnus Carlsen.
That's correct, JC. Your sport question. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
No, give me the Japanese one. Hikaru Nakamura.
No, Dingleren.
Dingleren.
Sorry?
The England.
That's right. Both chess grandmasters. General knowledge for St. Jago. Nyasaland is a former name of which African country?
Malawi.
Malawi.
Good. General knowledge JC. Friendly Islands is a former name of which Asian country?
Tonga.
Correct. French, St. Jago. What is the English equivalent of l'amour n'échoue jamais? And that's the bell? Okay, I'm being told to just finish with those French questions. L'amour n'échoue jamais.
L'amour n'échoue jamais. I'll come again. Love is blind.
Love is blind.
Love never fails. French, JC. What is the English equivalent of Dieu répond à la prière?
Practice makes perfect.
Practice makes perfect.
Practice makes perfect.
No, God answers prayer. And that's the end of the opening challenge. Scores in the match look to be St. Jago High taking the early lead on 8 points, Jamaica College on 6. When we come back, it'll be time for the Speed Challenge. The semi-final match in Schools Challenge quiz returns right after these messages.